Want to make money without leaving your home? Imagine earning weekly paychecks from a side hustle that doesn't require a commute. Sounds amazing, right? In 2026, the internet is full of opportunities to work online and get paid every week. No fancy skills needed. Whether you're looking for a part-time gig or thinking about a career change, there's a website out there for you. In today's video, we'll explore the top 8 websites that pay you weekly for online work in 2026. These sites offer beginner-friendly jobs that anyone can start with minimal experience, giving you the chance to work from home and get paid consistently. Ready to start? Let's dive in. 1. Printify. If you've ever wanted to run your own store but didn't have the money for stock, warehouse space, or shipping hassles, Printify is your solution. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that lets you create and sell products without upfront costs. The way it works is simple. You design a product, list it on your online store, and when someone orders, Printify takes care of the printing, packing, and shipping. You never handle any of the physical products. You don't need to make a huge investment to get started. Simply sign up for free, start designing, and begin earning money. What's more, Printify integrates easily with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon, allowing you to expand your reach with little effort. The best part? You get paid weekly for every sale, and you can scale your business as you go. Whether you're interested in designing custom t-shirts, mugs, or even unique pet gear, Printify makes it easy to start earning consistently. 2. Upwork. Upwork is a massive freelance marketplace where clients from all around the world are looking for skilled professionals. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or even a virtual assistant, Upwork has something for everyone. It's a fantastic platform for freelancers who want to get paid regularly for their work. Getting started is simple. All you need is a free account, create a profile, and showcase your skills and experience. Once you're ready, browse through the job listings and apply to the ones that match your expertise. As you gain experience and positive feedback from clients, your confidence and your rates will grow. You can work on a variety of projects, from short-term gigs to long-term contracts. And the best part? Upwork pays freelancers weekly, so you'll never have to wait long to receive your earnings. 3. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a platform that allows you to make money by helping people with everyday chores. Whether it's assembling furniture, running errands, or even helping someone move, TaskRabbit offers a wide range of tasks you can choose from. You don't need to be a professional handyman or have special skills to get started. Simply sign up, create a profile, and set your own rates. TaskRabbit allows you to pick the jobs that interest you, so you can work as much or as little as you want. Plus, with the flexibility to set your own schedule, you can work around your other commitments. The platform ensures you get paid weekly, so once a task is completed, you'll be able to see your earnings in no time. It's perfect for anyone looking to make money on the side, or for those who enjoy doing hands-on work. 4. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a fantastic platform for photographers, videographers, and graphic designers looking to make money online. Whether you're passionate about capturing stunning landscapes, creating stock photos, or even making videos, Shutterstock lets you sell your content to a global audience. Uploading your work is easy, and once it's live, you can earn money each time someone downloads your content. With Shutterstock, you can turn your creative passion into a passive income stream, as you'll continue to earn royalties from your images and videos over time. The best part is that Shutterstock offers weekly payments, so you'll have a consistent income as long as your content remains popular. It's the perfect platform for anyone who loves to create and wants to earn money doing what they love. 5. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a simple yet effective way to earn money online without needing any specialized skills. This popular rewards platform lets you earn points, known as SB, for completing various easy tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, or even playing games. These points can be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards, giving you flexibility in how you want to receive your earnings. One of the biggest advantages of Swagbucks is its accessibility. You don't need any prior experience or advanced knowledge to get started. Whether you're watching your favorite videos, shopping for everyday products, or answering a few questions in a survey, you can easily make money while doing things you already enjoy. The tasks are simple, and you can complete them in your spare time. making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to earn extra income on the side. Swagbucks also pays out weekly, so you'll have a consistent stream of earnings. It's a fun and engaging way to make money without any long-term commitment, and the more time you spend on the platform, the more you can earn. If you're looking for a flexible and straightforward way to make money from home, Swagbucks is definitely worth considering. 6. Rover. If you love animals and want to turn that passion into a profitable side hustle, Rover is an excellent platform to help you earn money while doing something you truly enjoy. Rover connects pet owners with trusted pet sitters and dog walkers, creating a perfect opportunity for animal lovers to provide services to pets in their local area. Whether you're walking dogs, pet sitting, offering dog boarding services, or even just providing in-home visits, Rover gives you the flexibility to choose what services you'd like to offer. Getting started is straightforward. Simply sign up, create a profile that highlights your experience with pets, and set your rates. You can decide which services to provide and when you're available, giving you complete control over your schedule. Once your profile is live, pet owners can book your services directly through the platform. As your bookings increase, you can build up a regular client base, ensuring steady income. Rover pays weekly, so you won't have to wait long to get paid for your work. It's a fantastic way to earn extra income, and as you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates. For those who enjoy spending time with animals, Rover is an ideal way to earn money while ensuring pets receive the care and attention they deserve. It's a win-win. You get to work with adorable pets and make money, all while maintaining a flexible schedule that works for you. 7. Study Pool. If you're an expert in a particular subject, Study Pool lets you earn money by helping students with their academic work. Whether you're a math genius, a history buff, or a science whiz, you can offer your expertise to students in need of assistance. On Study Pool, you can answer student questions, upload study materials, and even help with homework or exam preparation. The platform allows you to set your own rates and choose the types of questions you want to answer. You get paid weekly for the work you do, so as long as you're helping students, you'll have a consistent stream of income. Study Pool is a great way for anyone who loves teaching or has a deep knowledge of a specific subject to make money while helping others. 8. Clear Voice. Clear Voice is a freelance platform for writers, connecting you with businesses that need high-quality articles, blog posts, and other content. Whether you're experienced or just starting out, Clear Voice helps you find writing gigs that match your skills. To get started, simply create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start browsing job listings. Clear Voice connects you with clients who need content for various industries, and you can choose the projects that interest you the most. As a writer, you can earn competitive rates and receive payments weekly, making it an excellent choice for those who want a reliable source of income from freelance writing. Clear Voice is ideal for anyone passionate about writing and looking for steady, well-paying freelance opportunities. And there you have it, the top 8 websites that pay you weekly for online work in 2026. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash on the side or kickstart a full-time freelance career, these platforms offer incredible opportunities to work from home and get paid consistently. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.